Chris Dunlap. I'm the sales manager at Formula K Equipment. We specialize in lawn and snow power equipment. We pretty much see the full gamut of everything. We have big commercial companies, owner-operator, commercial landscapers, and also residential. Over the years, we've seen a lot of changes in the landscaping business. Most landscaping companies are facing a real labor shortage, and they're looking for their equipment to be more productive with less machines. We're a full-line dealer for Orec. We cover all 4 seasons of their product. Orec has the Snow Rhino, which is a stand-on zero-turn commercial snowplow. Awesome for snow removal businesses that are looking to clear out sidewalks or store frontages. There's a lot of advantages that this has over a snow thrower. Number one, you're able to put the snow where you want it instead of just throwing it anywhere. And you're also able to push it into a parking lot for a snowplow to come by and take it. There's a lot of the customers that are using these machines to clear out malls, apartment complexes, and other businesses. The Orec Snowball is a walk-behind tracked snow pushing machine. It's great for sidewalk use, storefronts, and small parking lots. It can also be used in commercial applications and residential as well. The Trailblazer Transporter is a tracked transport cart. It has a compact design that's able to fit into narrow areas where maybe big equipment will not fit. It has dual track drive that's able to go up slopes and also can go upstairs. The Orec Garden Quake Tiller is a rear tine tiller that can be used for tilling up small gardens and breaking new ground. The Garden Quake is a professional grade tiller that's used by a lot of landscapers, as well as can be used by residential homeowners that are looking for a product that's more durable. The Brush Rover is a ride-on brush cutter that's available in either 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. It's able to cut through 2-inch saplings and up to 6-foot tall grass. Usually when referring to the Brush Rover, most people refer to it as the King Kong of all the brush mowers that exist. It's able to clear out large patches of brush very quickly and easily. The Cyclone Flail Mower has 38 flail blades that are able to knock down saplings, suck them in, mulch it up, and leave no debris behind. This acts as a mulching unit and is also easier on the user with less shock. This is definitely a machine that when somebody takes it on a demo, they come back in and it definitely has the wow factor. The Samurai brush cutter is a brush cutter that has a rotary blade and comes in at a great price point. It's good for anything from tall grass to brush to saplings. Since we picked up Orec, the company has been great to work with on the dealer end, as well as giving great customer support. And we're really looking forward to expanding our relationship with any new products that they're coming out with in the future.